Okay.
Okay. Hopefully I can push it.
You should. Yeah, it's weird. So I got to slide it. All right, so let me see how
Well,
far
am I
we're
gonna
going.
pull it?
See if you can. Get. It's freaky as hell in here. Wow.
Okay.
How far? Okay.
Here, close the lid.
Yeah.
Goodbye.
Let me get my glasses off. Remember, if it goes upside down.
Duh. Okay. Let me get you away from this.
Oh, this is weird.
All right.
Hey,
Over the water.
go ahead. That's freaky. It's really a weird feeling.
Duh. You don't know where you are.
That is really weird.